We didn't say one negative thing to you.
Well, the first thing she said when I called her was, "What's wrong out there?"
Okay.
First thing, I didn't say nothing.
So this is how easily you quit.
How easy I quit.
This is how easily you quit. Is you're gonna walk off this. You just started this job, and you just walked off this because
I didn't
someone
quit
hurt your
this
feelings.
job. I didn't quit this
Y'all
job.
just go ahead. Yeah, you just did.
No, I didn't. I said
You
I can't.
told her you couldn't.
I
deal with
can't.
the
I
toxic
can't deal
environment.
with your toxic environment.
Oh, you're gonna blame me. I'm a victim. You're a victim.
No, I'm not a victim. I'll get over it, but I'm not going to sit here and put my hand in the fire either.
Doing
I've
what?
done nothing to you, sir.
No,
I've
I
done
agree.
nothing to
I
you.
agree. I have done nothing.
I've done nothing. You've done nothing to me.
Absolutely. I have not done anything to you.
I explained everything you had.
Okay.
It was
Okay.
it was everything I could do the perfect job, and you will still be unhappy
How do you know that?
because you're already unhappy. I did everything to code.
How do you know that? Did I?
Because I
express that to
called
you?
her and she's already asked me what the problem is. I'm just calling her to tell her that we're done for
Well, the
today.
gas line got broke is what she's asking
The
about.
gas line doesn't have any locate wire
Okay.
on it.
Okay, well, it doesn't matter. That's what she's
That
asking
could be
about.
fixed about. That could be fixed.
Okay, that's what she's asking about.
We're doing you a good job,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, just take your stuff.
Take the
Move
stuff
on.
and go. All right. He told us to take the stuff and go on. Appreciate you, bud.
Appreciate it. Have a good day.